Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Lpk library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. I recommend the automated system scan for Lpk library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Lpk library. The language pack library manages localized text rendering and layout for complex scripts like Arabic or Thai. It is a core system component. If missing, the Windows shell will fail to display localized menus. It is also a high-risk file for DLL hijacking by malware, so a missing or modified version should always trigger a system file check, SFC. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Lpk belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Lpk library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Lpk library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Lpk library configuration concepts. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Lpk library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.